And
Sayora, you know a microphone's really bad when you go onto Amazon and the one you use is currently unavailable.
Nah, you know it's really bad when it's on sale.
there.
Listen. You use this on sale, so stop.
No.
Yeah, 5%.
It's Amazon's best. 5%.
It is Amazon's best. That's why it's on my wish list.
Okay. Well,
I
now
bought
you
it
gotta
because it
buy
was an all-in-one bundle with the boom arm and the pop socket, and yeah.
The pop socket.
Pop socket. That's on your phone.
You mean the pop filter?
Pop filter, yeah, sorry.
See,
This whole time I've been calling it a pop socket, and no one has corrected me on this.
So
I feel
my
so
IUs
embarrassed now.
No, you're.
Pop socket.
Okay. The mic I used came with a pop filter, and a pop filter, and a it's like a tripod, like a tripod stand. Oh man.
I'm glad I made you laugh, Izzy. And I can hear me Ballsy just singing in chipmunk voice in the background.
Oh no.
You little pop socket.
Sayora, please tell me you have an actual pop socket on your phone.
I actually don't. Because it will cover up the BTS stickers I got on the phone.
I'm crying.
Oh my god.
My ribs hurt.
You can buy a clear pop socket.
But it would still cover up the stickers.
My ribs. Oh my goodness.
It's just the way she goes, I don't want it to cover up my BTS stickers.
I'm crying. Izzy's dying. Luna is hyperventilating, and Meatballsy is in his own little world. He doesn't give a fuck about what's going on.
Damn. Don't ask
Imagine
me
how
twice.
fun my streams would be.
Oh
I mean,
my god. That would be
Whoa.
fun.
Izzy, somehow you have a new follower. Imagine that.
I do? Who was it? Who is it? Oh my god.
Oh my
Is it
god.
Elizabeth
who is
Olsen? My dream? Don't laugh at me. A woman can have dreams. Let me dream.
I'm
You
not
dream
laughing at your dream. I'm laughing at the
No,
delivery
no.
of your line. That's what made it funny.
You,
No, it's just-
if you could dream about your pop socket on your mic, I could dream about Elizabeth Olsen following me. Okay? I don't hear shit.
Oh my god.
Are we gonna get started or not?
Well, Izzy's not ready yet.
Your pop socket and Elizabeth.
No.
I'm dying.
This is all your fault.
No, if you're gonna talk to a ghost, you have to be like
You gotta-
this is Elizabeth Olsen.
No, you're gonna talk to a ghost and be like, talk into my pop socket.
He's going into the van. He's going into the van.
Yeah, he's gonna go buy you a new pop socket. He's gonna buy you a
lost
clear
it.
pop socket so it doesn't cover your BTS stickers.
I can't breathe.
We've
I can't breathe.
ready up.
been laughing for 10 minutes. This is bad.
This is gonna be an all ass highlight. 1 minute is not gonna be enough to cover this shit.
I've done like 3 clips of this.
Yeah, keep it going.
I'm gonna post each clip individually on TikTok.
Dying of laughter parts 1, 2, and 3.
You'll see a clip of it later on my TikTok if you actually look at it.
I do.
You liar.
Yeah, no, but her.
I do.
Right?
I just haven't been on TikTok in a while.
Feora, you need to use TikTok.
The last video I posted, I can't even remember now, was promoting my
That's
Twitch
another-
channel.
Feora, you need to use TikTok.
The last video I posted, I can't even remember now, was promoting my
That's
Twitch
another
channel.
thing. Anyone following Feora that has TikTok, you can follow me. It's my username on all platforms. Just to be
Beckfist55 is now following. Thank you guys so much for the follow and welcome to the Wayne's family.
Breakfast?
I
Who's
can't
breakfast?
breathe.
I want to see a breakfast.
Shut up about it.
Alright, clip that.
We're never gonna play this game, are we?
You haven't.
I don't
enough.
think so.
I'm ready. I've been ready.
I'm ready.
Start the game.
Shut the fuck up. Beckfist has cheered 10 bits. Thank you so
Oh
much.
Why
Yeah, that
would
was
you
close
though?
to a
We're
new
all
pop
just
socket.
losing. What's the
That
point?
much-
Thank you so much. And welcome to this mayhem that is my stream.
Pop sockets.
Is that what our trio's called? Is pop sockets?
I guess so. Thank you, Beckfist, for the 10 bits. I really appreciate that a lot. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my god. I am literally crying, guys. I've been crying. The tears are burning my eyes. My eyes are so dry. And Izzy's dying. Thank you so much for the bits. Thank you. Oh, for fuck's sake, Meatballs, he got kicked again. He didn't even load
Oh
in.
my god.
You know what, Mika? I don't think
It's
we can
because-
be friends.
Because he can laugh
What?
at pop sockets.
Shut up. Beckfist with another 15 bits. Thank you so
We
much.
should make a group chat that's called Pop Sockets.
We need to.
We do. We actually do.
I friended you on Steam. If you actually accept it.
I'm already friends with you. I just gotta friend, I
I
guess, Luna.
can't breathe. can't
I am in
breathe.
physical
You can't breathe
pain right now.
No. I'm gonna cry. Holy shit.
Oh, you're fine. Bitch, I'm fine.
Oh my god.
There we go.
Wait, Nikki, are you friends with both of us? Make a group chat. We can do
Yeah,
the
alright, yeah, just give me 1 minute, guys.
I can just
how
picture
do I
walking
create like a-
around out in public and I see someone with a pop socket and I just bust out laughing.
Alright, create
Just
group
walk-
chat.
Hey, how's your
Funny
day
shit
been?
is,
Can I see
I
your
just
phone?
bought a new pop socket. I just bought a new pop socket. It's a clear one too. It's a clear
Oh
pop
no,
socket.
meatballsy! Okay.
But it's a
Create.
MagSafe pop socket.
Pop
I
socket.
can't. Okay, wait. Are we supposed to be
Innocent
playing the
is-
game? Wait.
Give me a second.
Yeah.
I need to find Luna real quick.
Your pop
I
sucking.
can't breathe.
Saying hi. Imagine going on like a date or
Breakfast!
something on the first day and be like,
Again
"Hi,
with the
how's your
20
name?
bits?
How you going?
But you're right, you have to share those bits with me. Alright? Thanks.
Yeah, you have to.
I need to purchase a
those
new
bits
pop
are
socket.
going
Thank you.
three ways. They don't get this entertainment for free.
Alright, create chat
I have to
with
purchase a new pop socket.
Loser.
Loser.
There we go. There's the group chat, pop socket. There we go. There's the group chat, pop socket. Thank you, Beckfist, for all the bits.
Oh my god. I can officially say I was the first one to type in the chat pop socket.
I just saw the notification.
Pop sockets. Oh, pea sockets. Pop sockets.
I can't.
I think the rest of this game is just gonna be us dying of laughter and just like, no.
Beckfist is telling you to hydrate.
Thank you. Thank you, Beckfist.
Oh my gosh.
No.
Oh.
I will participate in this.
I love this. This is
I will
good. This
participate
is
and tell you to hydrate.
good. Oh yeah, no, I'll participate too. Don't worry about it.
Oh my goodness.
Look at you.
Oh my god. So okay. Wait, can one of you come to my wait? Wait,
I
come to
am
my chat and read what the description of hydrate is.
Check out that stuff.
Bruh.
I can't
Hey, Bossy, thank you for the bruh.
Thank you for the bro. I have to drown.
So I have a friend of mine, and
I just followed you, Izzy.
he's a mod of mine, and every time I would start streaming, he'd do hydrate over and over and over to the point where I had to put a timeout on it, and every time he would do it, he'd say drown.
Bitch, drown. Let it
Meatballs
die, let it
is
die, let it
so
die.
fucking pissed.
Yeah.
Look at my chat. Meatballsy is like so fucking pissed at the game.
Let's have this some other time.
Ballsy, why don't you put those balls deep down in you and get over it?
He is having a time. Oh my god.
So we got Nikki Pearly White over there, and then we have the two faceless streamers that can't stop so wheezing at you.
Give me a nuked. He didn't even say nuke, he said nuked.
If you think this is funny, you should have heard him and another person in the chat when I kept telling him I had to turn on the air conditioner from hell. They're like, send the holy water, send holy nukes to her location, this, that, and the other thing. And I'm dying for like a solid hour from these idiots trying to send holy weapons to my...
Your chaotic adventures really,
They are chaotic. I got tears streaming down my face, guys.
I can't.
Fuck you!
It's
Whoever
11
played
PM
that
right now, and I
sound!
can't.
Save your tears for another
Who played that sound? Backfist, you son of a bitch.
Golly.
It didn't catch me like some of the other ones do, but still, that was good.
Where's my gasoline? Oh shit. Oh. Oh, he's committing arson. I told him to drink it. I told him to drink the gasoline.
and then innocent as he drops the yeet.
Oh no.
What the fuck?
I can't breathe.
Oh my gosh.
I couldn't hear the yeet.
Are they turned down? I don't know how to turn them up. I wish I could make them louder. What's wrong with y'all?
Not a lot.
Oh, it's you.
It broke
Like, you know, pop
again.
sockets.
So many people are trying to get on for this Plasmo update. It's just giving me Baldy a headache.
Not.
She says, "What's
Oh,
wrong
no.
with y'all?" I'm not the one that declared it called a pop socket. I didn't turn down my soundboard.
No, the
Just
sounds,
so I could just
they're
pay
like
for
that on their own. I
naked
don't know how to
shit.
turn them up.
You
You don't
said
have them
pop
separated
sockets,
at
not
OBS.
me. You invited me. And
You
then
don't
you
have
were
them-
talking about pop sockets. What's next? What's next? A pop socket? Or a lollipop? Or what about pop you? Because you don't know how to say shit. Pop socket.
What have y'all done?
We
This is
have
so-
been laughing for a solid 45 minutes.
No way, it's been 45 minutes.
No, it's been 15. It's been 15.
Yeah.
It feels longer to me.
It's been maybe 20.
So,
And then-
are we gonna try to get this ghost, or are we just gonna say, fuck the ghost and go on to Goose Goose Duck?
It's a bitch.
I mean, why can I not read?
It's a pop socket.
Oh, you mean a poltergeist? What are we putting?
I can't.
Demon! I'm just discussing demon.
Should I?